You all must have heard of RTI. RTI means Right to Information. It is a law in India that gives every citizen the right to ask any questions or information from the government. It is important because it brings transparency and accountability in government work. In a simple way, we can say that RTI एक एक्ट है, राइट है, जो कि एक आम आदमी को अधिकार देता है कि वो मिनिस्ट्री से लेकर लोकल म्यूनिसपैलिटीज से कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन मांग सकता है। इफ यू वांट टू लर्न हाउ टू फाइल एन आरटीआई ऑनलाइन, सो लेट्स गेट। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सर्च आरटीआई पोर्टल ऑन गूगल ऐप। जैसे ही आरटीआई पोर्टल में आएंगे आपको पहली वेबसाइट दिखेगी, देन आपको क्लिक करना है। यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस दिख रहे हैं, तो सबसे पहला ऑप्शन आपको क्लिक करना है सबमिट रिक्वेस्ट, बिकॉज यू आर आस्किंग फॉर आरटीआई इन्फॉर्मेशन। देन चेक बॉक्स विल कम यू विच you have to submit and proceed further, and this opens the basic form of RTI. Here you have to write your name of the department from which you are seeking information. Like I want to seek information from the Prime Minister's office. Then I have to select its authority, right? After that, your public authority will also remain the same. Now here is your email ID and here is your mobile number, so that you can keep getting SMS alerts on your phone mobile. Now here you have to enter your email ID again, name, gender, address. You have to fill the basic details. Now the basic thing that you have to keep in mind is that text of the checkbox of RTI request application. Here you have to ask the information that ultimately you want its result. It has to be drafted very carefully. For example, I have already prepared a draft that I want to know about the Prime Minister's office, that how much expenses are incurred during foreign visits of the Prime Minister last 1 year. Detail of the total expenses including on all foreign visits of the Honorable Prime Minister during the period so and so. If you want, if you have an attaching file, then attach it. Otherwise, this final capture comes, and fill that capture, and then you can proceed further. As soon as you submit it, it will ask you that yes, you do you want to submit. Then you have to answer yes. Then you just have to do is a simple payment on the payment portal. You have to do it like internet, make the payment and click OK, then you will get the final payment. तो ये आरटीआई का प्रोसेस है, और जो भी आप इन्फॉर्मेशन मांगते हैं गवर्नमेंट से वो 30 दिन के अंदर उनको देना ही होता है। और अगर वो गवर्नमेंट आपको जवाब नहीं देते हैं तो आप फर्स्ट अपील फाइल कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट अपील का प्रोसेस भी इसी तरह से होता है और इसी पोर्टल पे।